Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. And here behind me, I have two brand new Mazda CX-50s. I'm going to show you guys what you gain for features and functions when you go from our entry-level Select up to that preferred package. So let's get going, okay? All right, so here we are. Once again, over here on the right-hand side is going to be the Select in the red. Then we come over here to the Preferred. It's going to be the Step Up in the gray. We're starting back here because this is going to have a hydraulic lift gate, while this is going to be a powered lift gate. All right, so you tap the button, it opens and closes from that point. Pretty nice and easy, of course. Now, don't get me wrong, the hydraulic lift gate is just as easy to use, but you don't have a little button action to, have it automatically close. Now with the power lift gate though, you are going to have a height adjusted power lift gate, so you can put it where you want. You click and hold, you wait for a long dramatic pause. There's the double beep. Now it's going to open and close that setting every single time, okay? So that's where we started back here. Other than that, the whole exterior of the vehicle is going to be the same. So if this is a gray or if that was a red, they look identical, okay? Now as we get over here to the side mirrors, these are going to be heated side mirrors, while these are not heated side mirrors. Now as we get up here towards the front, you're going to have a wiper de-icer over here. So when you turn on your rear defroster, which turns on your heated side mirrors, and then also it gets the element right up here where your wipers are going to be at to melt that snow, that slush and ice, all that, to get those bad boys moving pretty quick. All right, now the difference too is going to be in the seat. So as we get over here, you have a nice manual seat on the Select, and then once we get over there on the Preferred trim, we're going to have power seating. All right, these are going to be 8-way power seating, so they go forward and back just like the other one in recline, but then it also goes up and down. Then you got your lumbar support right here. All right, now when you get into the vehicle, the layout's going to be identical. It's just you're going to get heated seats. All right, are these features enough to get you guys bump up from that Select to that Preferred trim? Let us know down below in the comments, okay? Thanks again guys for watching.